Hey everyone, today I will start this video with a short story. In my previous organization, one of my friend and his name was Sarthak. So while doing the lunch, एक हम conversation कर रहे थे and he told me मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी life एक loop में चल रही है. And that line hit me very hard. Because let's be honest, हम सब कभी ना कभी ऐसा फील करते हैं. सुबह उठना, रेडी होना, ब्रेकफास्ट करना, ट्रैवल करके ऑफिस पहुंचना, ऑफिस जाके अपनी डेडलाइंस पूरी करना, ट्रैवल करके घर वापस जाना एंड सो जाना. Then the next day, same routine. But what about the growth? And during that time, you think of changing your job. So on the next day, you open up your laptop, start scrolling the job portals and you see the perfect job description. Salary is good, company is great, but then you spot these two words, MBA preferred. But the biggest question, अगर MBA कर भी लिया तो किस स्पेशलाइजेशन में? Because let's be honest, आज MBA करने वाले हजारों हैं, पर रियल डिफरेंस बनाता है राइट स्पेशलाइजेशन विद द राइट यूनिवर्सिटी. टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करने के लिए आप हमारे आई बटन के दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वी हैव कवर्ड अ डिटेल वीडियो ऑन दैट. सो नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू व्हाई एग्जैक्टली स्पेशलाइजेशन मैटर्स व्हाइल डूइंग एन MBA. सी, MBA is like a coffee. Everyone drinks it, but the flavor you pick makes all the difference. Specializations decides where your career goes next. चाहे आप सेल्स से हो, फाइनेंस से, IT से और इवन हेल्थ केयर से, there is an MBA that fits you. But picking the wrong one, it is like wearing the shoes that looks good but don't fit. So let's break this down simply. The top online MBA specializations that are worth your time, effort and money. Let's start with the finance. If you are someone who enjoy managing पैसा, planning budget and investment का कीड़ा है, then this one is for you. Imagine you are the one who decides where the company's money goes, how to save it and how to grow it. And the truth, finance MBAs are among the highest paid professionals out there, especially in the roles like investment analyst, financial planner or corporate strategist. Finance people are like money doctors of a company. They keep it healthy, wealthy and future ready. So if numbers don't scare you, finance can really pay off. Now let's talk about the most creative specialization, which is marketing. Have you ever seen Zomato's funny push notification or Coca-Cola iconic ads that make us think every time, यार ये idea किसने सोचा होगा? That's marketing. Marketing is not just ads or sales anymore. It's all about understanding the people's mindset, what they buy, why they buy, and how to reach them emotionally. So if you love creativity with logic, this one's a perfect mix. And here is the best part, with digital marketing on the rise, even online MBA graduates in marketing securing a top position in startups, tech companies and leading global brands. Now let's talk about something people often underestimate, human resources. You know that one person in every office who truly understands people, the one who can handle conflicts, motivate others and bring everyone together. That's HR material. वो दिन चले गए जब सिर्फ HR का रोल सिर्फ हायरिंग तक लिमिटेड था. Today's HR leaders handle strategy, leadership development and employee well-being. If you are someone who enjoys people management and problem solving, so HR can give you a strong, stable and respected career path. Because end of the day, companies don't run on machines or numbers, they run on people. Now this one is for the data detectives. कभी सोचा है स्विगी डिलीवरी चार्जेस कैसे डिसाइड करता है, या नेटफ्लिक्स पे वही शो क्यों रिकमेंड होते हैं जो आपको पसंद आते हैं? That is analytics in action. Every company today is run on data, not guesses. And in this specialization, you will learn how to turn boring Excel sheet into smart business decisions. If you love solving puzzles, spotting patterns, या थोड़ा Sherlock Holmes brain है, this is your field. Because company literally depend on analytics to make smarter moves. So if you want to stay relevant in demand and highly valuable, business analytics is your golden ticket. After COVID-19, that one sector never slowed down was healthcare. If you have ever wanted to make an impact while building a stable career, this is it. From hospitals to pharma to healthcare startups, healthcare managers are the real heroes behind the system. You will learn how to run hospital efficiently, manage projects, improve patients' experience and even shape health policies. It is not just about the money, it's about impact. Because when your management skills help save lives, that's a different kind of success altogether. If you got a heart for healthcare and mind for the management, So this healthcare management specialization definitely calling. And finally, let's talk about tech, online MBA in IT and data science. If you're already in IT and want to move up from coding to management, this is your growth bridge. इसमें आप सिर्फ कोडिंग करना नहीं सीखोगे. You learn how to lead tech projects, manage teams, and use of tools like AI, cloud, and cyber security to build a smarter system. Basically, you move from doing the work to leading the future. With AI and data becoming the backbone of every business, this specialization turns you into the decision maker who understand both technology and strategy. So if you have a tech background and a vision for a leadership, an online MBA in IT and data science is a perfect launchpad for your career. Now comes the part कि कौन सी specialization perfect है. You know Sarthik, the friend I mentioned earlier, when he decided to do an online MBA, he did not even know which specialization to pick because finance sounded serious, marketing sounded creativity, data science sounded futuristic, pura confusion. Then he spoke to the counselor at the Hike Education. They did not just tell him what is trending, even they understood his career goals, his strength, and the area of interest. That's what made all the difference. From choosing the right specialization, admission, documentation, and even post-enrollment support, Hike Education literally helped him through every step. And today, he is no longer stuck in a loop, and he is growing with clarity and confidence. So if you are also stuck in a next kya moment, maybe it's a high time to talk Hike Education and start your growth journey. Because sometimes all it takes is one right decision to turn confusion into clarity and dreams into direction. If this video gave you some clarity, pass it on to someone who is still figuring out their career path and share in the comments which specialization feels right for you.